Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road. Now these two roads are going to be upgraded under the CapEx program. That's a $13 billion road program that the government is going to start. This road, both roads, well, we are on East Kings House Road now. Where the video started, that section of the road was upgraded when Barbican Road was upgraded. And as we drive on East Kings House Road, the road is going to merge into 2 lanes. Seems to have some traffic out here, but the 2 lanes are going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So the entire road for East Kings House Road is going to look like the beginning of the video. Now some road work is going on out here, but this is not the CapEx program. The CapEx program is to renovate the entire road and Lady Musgrave Road. This seems to be just some work to repair the road from the heavy rains that fell over the weekend. So I don't think we're going to be able to go on to, no, we'll have to detour. Alright, so we'll work with it. We're going to detour. This is just patching work. The CapEx program now, 6 main roads in 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore are going to be upgraded. And that road we just came off is 1. And this road is scheduled for the 3rd quarter of the 2023-24 fiscal year. The government has a weird fiscal year that starts in April. It has to do with the budget. It's not the calendar year, January through March. But that road has been slated for road work for the last 2 fiscal periods. And there was even some discussion about what happened to the money that was allocated for the road, because in the last 2 budgets that road was to be renovated. It's a very important road, and they have it down under the CapEx program. Now the CapEx program is this government's major road program. The previous governments, I'm not sure which ones, had the major infrastructure development program. Excellent program, one of the best I've seen so far. They renovated Constant Spring Road, no more traffic problems on that road, 4-lane dual carriageway. They renovated Hagley Park Road. I mean, it was a tedious task because the people were using the road while it was being worked on, but excellent road, no problems now. Marcus Garvey Drive and Mandela Highway, I think there were others as well, but those are the ones that Barbican Road was also renovated. So this current government now, their major program is the CapEx program, which is probably a continuation of the other program, but of course they have to change the name because that program is associated with a different government. But at the end of the day, main roads in Kingston are being upgraded. Now this is a nice building. Wow, I wonder who the architecture was for this architect. Very nice building. We're gonna do a tour of this area after we finish with the road. Wow. Now I know you have work to do, construction, but do you have to park in the road? Look at the amount of space on the sidewalk. My God, they've reduced the road to a single lane. All I have to do is park on the sidewalk. Alright, well, we're heading back out to East Kings House Road now. Now, just to give you an idea of what's going on. Barbican Road was renovated. Now, when East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road is renovated, you will have a 4-lane dual carriageway from Barbican all the way to Lady Musgrave Road, where it is going to merge with another road to be renovated, which is Arthur Wynne Drive and South Camp Road. And those roads will also be 4 lanes dual carriageway, and then you can take those roads. Arthur Wynne Drive takes you out to Mountain View, and South Camp Road or Camp Road takes you down to Port Royal Street that was recently renovated. So we're going to have the main roads in Kingston renovated very soon, just a matter of time. All right, now we're back on East Kings House Road, and this road now, as you can see, it won't be that hard to renovate to 4 lanes in this area because the space is there already. Now when people get approvals to build, they are told where the boundary must stop, and you notice these walls are at the correct boundary because from day one this road was intended to be 4 lanes. Look at where the light poles are and look at where the fences are. So when people just decide to build now and build right up against the road, they are in violation. Of course, nobody pays attention to it until they're ready to expand the road, and then they say, this needs to come down, you're in violation. But if when they start to build at the wrong spot, the relevant authorities were to stop them, it would make life so much easier. But it doesn't happen like that in all the cases. So this road is going to go to 4 lanes, and the Jersey barrier put in, making it a dual carriageway. To the right is King's House, prime real estate. Now King's House has historic value. It's where the Governor General or the governors lived, and the Governor General is actually the person that is in charge of the government in Jamaica, believe it or not. The Prime Minister and Parliament make the laws, but those laws cannot take effect without the Governor General signing them, because we are still on the English, I wouldn't say rule, but the Governor General is the King's representative. If the Prime Minister and Parliament of Jamaica want to put in a state of emergency, they have to go to the Governor General, or that state of emergency cannot be put in. That needs to change. I mean, it's 2023. We are an independent country. When the Parliament of Jamaica makes a law, they have to go to the Governor General as the King's representative to sign it into law. The Prime Minister of Jamaica does not have that power. Anyway, this is Lady Musgrave Road now. Oh, as I was saying, King's House has historic value, but the land around it is prime for development, prime real estate. And I'm not saying to interfere with King's House. It has historic value, but the land around it that's empty, that just has grass on it, that is prime real estate for development. The same thing for the grounds around Jamaica House. Alright, so now this is Lady Musgrave Road, and the same thing will be done here. This road will be renovated to 4 lanes. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.